This is the same painting done on two different types of paper. The one to the left is the vinyl paper, which was very interesting. The paint does not soak into the paper at all. It actually looks more vibrant because of that. And the one on the right is Arches cold press 140 pound. I use the exact same paints on both of them. Just really different how the paint on the left looks so different than the one on the right. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Look at that. It really turned out so cool there. Very bright. I did add some gouache to brighten it up a bit, the flowers. Now let's look at the watercolor on Arches. It's still so pretty. Just wanted to show a comparison there.